These two are drawings, both of which are fine line, but this one looks far better than this one. Wanna know how? I'm going to show you how to fine line like a pro in this video, so watch till end.
Step 1.
To draw something crazy, try and make big elements in your drawing so that you can fine line easily. Here's a quick doodle sketch I did, by which I will show you how I fine line my drawings.
Step 2.
If your sketch is a bit too messy, you can lightly erase before you fine line.
Step 3.
Choosing the fine liner. Having a good fine liner is very important as it helps to make clean and smooth lines. The fine liner which I use is Unipin Fine Liner by Mitsubishi Pencils. Now I'm not forcing you to get an expensive fine liner. If you're a beginner, you can do it with cheap markers too. But in that case, your drawing will get spoiled if moisture catches your paper and the ink might spread. But in case you are using good fine liners, your drawing will remain clean for longer time as the ink in such fine liners is water and fade proof.
Step 4.
Sticking the paper. Sticking the paper on the surface keeps the paper stable and avoids unnecessary moves.
Step 5.
Finally, starting with the fine lining. Try and start fine lining from top. This will prevent smudging of wet ink. Your drawing will look great only if you make some parts thick and some thin. While fine lining, if you don't know which parts to keep thick and which thin, first draw a simple outline of your element. And then wherever you find big curves, make that part thick like this and try to keep edges sharp. Also try to keep all your lines smooth and sharp. For that, try to keep your hand as steady as you can. At some places, keep one side thick while the another thin. Before fine lining an element, imagine in your mind where you should make thick parts and where thin one. Also, don't just make complete element thick or thin. Make a combined effort of two styles. Keep practicing, see other artists' work and get influenced by them. This will help a lot. Fine lining takes time, sometimes even more than time required to color. So invest your time to get good final product. It is better to use thin fine liner than thick ones, as you can fine line even the smallest part of your drawing. I mostly use 0.8 mm fine liner. If you feel your fine liner is too thin and you are not able to draw thick lines, then make two parallel borders and fill in it, like this. You can even give a shade to your drawing like this, but don't do this to your complete drawing. These are only the basics of fine lining. Using these steps, you can fine line any of your drawing like a pro. Further, observe and see how I am fine lining, and you can basically do it in the same way I am doing. If your drawings are based on some big objects or theme, Like in my case, these two bells are the big object, then fine line it a bit thicker than the rest of the drawing so that it pops up whenever one takes a glance at your drawing. If you're loving so far, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot when you subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram to see behind the scenes and more such drawing.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own.
And this way, after working for more than 6 to 7 hours, I finished fine lining this sketch. Hope you learned something from this video and hopefully these few tips will improve your drawing. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again soon in the next video. Until then, bye.